It's a beautiful day. No snow, no snow, just strictly sunshine. My people, I'm actually off today and I'm in my backyard just a relax and a whole of meds. But I had to jump on here real quick to seek you guys' opinion on something. I have a friend who has been sending money back home to build a house for the last, I would say, year and a half. And she's been sending these monies to her sister, someone who she close with, who she trusts. Now, the sister has been sending her pictures, WhatsApp video, to show her how the house is coming along. So she's all excited because my people, let me tell you something, foreigner keep again. Me say yes, foreigner keep again. So for all those people who say they now go back to Jamaica, it's up to you. If you now go back to Jamaica, find somewhere where you can go, where you feel comfortable, and even if you have like a one room. Because let me tell you, foreign no belong to none of we. We all gain our citizenship here, and then me always say they can't take back their citizenship anytime. Anyway, back to the point. So my friend now, she's excited. So she got the opportunity to go home. My people, when she reached Jamaica, I'm not going to call the place or give out no name or nothing like that, because no, confidentiality is of utmost importance to me. My people, so when she reached the place where the house is supposedly is being built, no house no there. Me say no house no there. Yes, the area has been cleared. All she see a so dirt. Then the sister had the nerve to tell her, say yes, she did find herself in a little predicament. So she has been using the money. My people, what kind of caramba this here? What kind of foolishness this here? Me don't even know what to call this. You they are foreigner work hard and I send home your little chupans every month. And this your sister have been nerve for send picture video. My people, she was actually sending videos and pictures of another home that is in close proximity to where the sister landed. I know wickedness this. Uno talk to me. Me say I know wickedness this. Me feel it for her, you see. And then the sister apologized and said she go pay her back. Where you go use pay her back? Where you are go use pay her back? My mother said you not even have dry in your body. So where she go use pay her back? Let me tell you something. Family is not always blood, Sometimes it's the very people that you trust that will do these things to you. My people, drop a line below and tell me, if you were in my girlfriend's position, how would you deal with it? Remember, my sister now work, he don't have nothing. He don't even have 2 goat or 1 sheep or 1 foal when he can sell and say, give me back some of my money. He don't have nothing. What you have to do? Drop a line below and make me hear now. As always, Mama Selva, have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening or night, in which part of the world or not.